What's in your cup?
What's in my cup? What's in my cup stays in my cup. In my cup stays in my cup. My drinks
It's in his cup.
in my cup stays in my cup. My cup.
All right, nobody. Yeah. But anyway, good day, good night, good morning, whatever time you're viewing this. Welcome to our Pillow Talk.
Episode 1.
Episode 1.
We're gonna share with you. I don't know. What's the topic?
The topic is about sex. I want to get straight into it. I know you've been anticipating this topic. So, feel comfortable. I am comfy. No shoes on.
She couldn't wait to talk about the big topic. Sex. She said, jump straight into it. So, you sure?
Yes, right into it.
Man, I don't know how I feel about that yet, though.
So, what do you want to talk about then?
I think sex is a good topic. We know that people we know they like the mix up and sex thing,
I don't want no business. If me and Kenya do the thing.
If we do the thing, then we well, for number one, we're not virgins.
Says who? I am certainly a virgin.
Oh yeah?
Virgin to one man. That's what I'm saying.
Oh snap! Oh snap! Oh snap! Oh snap! Oh snap! What does that mean?
Over the years, once I became a wife, then I committed myself to him, connect to him in a spiritual, sexual, and emotional way. So I'm a virgin to him.
Oh, she's a virgin to me. Means she tied in that with me, and I'm me alone. I get the thing.
The good, nice, good,
nice. A food shall describe.
good. Good stuff.
A food shall describe.
Listen, ladies, don't make nobody tell you nothing. You don't know what you have and what you use. That tools keeps them coming.
Keep them coming. That's it.
And keeps them
coming.
Keep them coming. Don't get me out now. Don't know me, but I'll be proper tonight, and we're gonna go into the discussion.
We're going to the discussion. So I believe that, like any relationship, where there's a man, woman, or a woman, or a man, however you want to do it.
Can I get fat? No, sorry. Yes, let me tell you, say, I'm not going to hear these type of things, because this is Cheryl.
But in any relationship where there is, geez, I smell my drinks. Where in any relationship where there is sex involved, or it's a sexual relationship, I feel like sex helps to build that bond between you and your partner. Now, how often you have sex boils down to you and your partner, right? But I'm going to speak the thing for you. Now, since I get married, I feel like I have a little less sex than... I used to have when I wasn't married.
All right, my cue now.
For your cue? I thought I was going to talk.
Yes, but me have to quench the fire or just blaze a while ago.
She won't go quench a part, but me still not finish explain myself.
No way, man.
She not finish explain myself yet.
Listen to what I'm saying. Ladies, it's not the same as it used to. Not to say that it can't be the same that
what that's supposed to mean?
Listen to what happened. Things change.
What change?
Kids come in play. The house now, you have to take care of him, you have to take care of the house, you have to take care of the people them. So by the time we come down and feel all that niceness, but boy long I feel like, tomorrow we'll try it again. That is how it feels sometimes. Not to find excuses, but there should
sound like an excuse to me.
No, there should be some form of understanding to say that, listen, the wife tired, and when you get it good. You know you're not getting done late.
Well, let's say she's right about the wife tired. Now, we all go to work. Me and her, we are working people.
Right.
Right? She go work her time, me go work my time.
Right.
We are both tired. I can't say she do more work or less work than I do. I feel like I pay my equal role in the house.
Okay, different topic to be discussed, yes.
With that said, I still feel like I could squeeze a little bit of sex in maybe about a couple times a week. Now, I believe for her, Cheryl have a schedule that she write down when she have sex. And her schedule probably that be about once a week, which what? Work out about 4 times a month? About
That is not true. That is not
No, tell me as a married man.
That is not true. And listen, he's coming hard. I'm like this. You see, I'm tell you, say, we're not hiding nothing from none of you. Yes, when you just married, you give morning, noon, 9, you fling it up on him, day left, right. You know, my child, you can't go to church and. Father, forgive me.
Right, we're not teaching on the church.
We never do it at church.
People at church, don't listen. We've never done that. We've never done that yet.
No, we never tried at church.
Don't make sure fool you.
If you see we're not thinking about that. Our mind is on God. But anyway, as me I say, you know, but then things change and when I get older, man, I'm like when he meet me 10 years ago, oh, the good, you know, run like, yeah. But now it kind of slow. It's like, what kind of car this you know, like, what more fast car?
Boy, if a car I use to describe the sex right now, I would say, we are a Prius. We are, because you can't really go slower and more sluggish than a Prius.
I can't even get.
No, this to tie out on them car. But listen,
but when I was them, because you can't tell me is that no one. You have to tell the people.
No, we're not saying you're a Prius. But you said that if the sex life, it was like a fast car when you were young. I'm just simply saying that no, the sex life is like a hybrid. It ain't no fast car. As a matter of fact, not just a hybrid. I feel like it's a SUV hybrid. Even no, it's more than it's less than an SUV hybrid. I want to put it like it's a minivan hybrid.
I'm gonna move my shades now because it's getting intense. But anyway, I'm not gonna really go say it has slowed down, and I admit to that it has. But at the same time, ask him when he gets it that one time.
If it good? No, I'm not gonna say. No, we won't. No, we're not here to lie, you know.
Tell the people.
So now, listen. The only advantage I see with having sex less is that.
Huh? Tell the folks when you does get it. How does it? Is it like? The burst of your life?
No, she bring her A game. Right? We're not going to lie to you about that. That was never my situation. The A game will come when she bring it, when I do get it. But I'm saying to you that as married couple, I'd expect sex life to either be more or to be the same, but not to cut back.
Alright, it's when you're newly married, it's all dandy and nice. Yes, when it change is when the babies come in play. It will change, and I'm not blame it on surgery. I'm not blame it on.
So why you bring it up then if you're not blame it on?
Because now the risk is no longer me and him. It's me and the kids.
Plus the house. Plus me. She said she had to take care.
So, can we do it? I'm going to talk the truth then.
So listen, before she go anywhere, people.
We are not
going to stick on this topic. This is only one question.
No, we're not stick. But let me say this though, because you fire your darts, you know, we need to shoot down your ship where you are.
But you already make your point.
No, I made my point, but may I tell you this though? You see, let me tell you something. Him want it 20 times for the 1 week. Two times
to 3 times a week is fine with me. I feel like that is natural.
And
3 times a week is natural. Guys?
I don't know if I should say it, but I want to say it. Kenny's not a man who can say 5 minutes. Man gone long. Him just stay in a desire long. I say, brother, wrap it up. You understand? So it's when him get it that one time, he come like we make up for the whole thing.
We have to make it last. We have to spite her.
You see what I mean, people? Huh? So when him get it that one time, like, we make up for the whole thing.
We have to spite her. We have to spite the thing.
We sweat, we dry. We sweat, we dry.
We have to spite the thing.
Come on now. So he gets it good. Alright? So
the next thing we could probably talk about. So now ladies, this is a question that I know always come up. And while me have my wife here, while I have my wife here, I feel like she can answer this. And women, you can comment as well. Now, throughout our life growing up as men, we always wonder this one thing.
What is it?
Does size matter? Sexually, does size matter? And ladies, even if you're married, are you now satisfied with what your man has physically? Or is it somewhere where you say, yo, you compromise? You say, yo, it is alright because I'm already married to the man.
So I could take my glasses because I have to.
Does size matter? No, She can talk about me still. Because I ain't ashamed of my games, eh?
Right. Not ashamed of his game.
What does mean?
I joke about it. But, you know, size, it is, I don't know how to explain this. Because some people that say, man, if you have a big steel. I'm not lie to nobody out there. Who can take the big steel, take the big
Swear I tried to me not a big steel. Shall blow me up then?
No. It is, no, this is not to say that he's a big, that in bless. Let's put it that way. I have a husband who was
Is blessed?
who is blessed. And blessed, I will not disclose that because that is something that I would not.
That's too personal.
Yes,
Right.
But he's blessed. But anything, I use a word in the dictionary. Who blessed than him, like blessed than him, them can't take the blesser. Me cannot manage the blesser.
You can't manage the blesser?
So each is own. I not going to let me can steer.
But
no
the
bitch.
question though, if you were to generalize it and answer the question.
A lot of ladies love to say that they, and I've been hearing
matter.
this, that size matters.
Right.
But I believe that the size with the action and everything that comes with it will count.
So ladies, you don't want no incy bincy, teeny weeny.
No, that is again, that can be, I don't know how to say, but the man can have an instant, but when you talk about him a buckle and him a karate and him a, you know, action figure, him can doing thing. You not even remember say the man I want intimacy. You have some men out there with probably, as me said, bless her, and
Can't manage your work.
where you look, the blood flow not there. So the blood flow not reach. So you end up, you know, we have to play time out. Because, and then you want time out, and then you want time out, but the blood just
overly
not-
blessed.
Yeah, it just not reach. So
Blessing turn a curse.
it can't function. So I'm saying, when you get something, when you get a tool, learn to work with that tool, whatever inch. Nobody jealous of Tanisha because you see Tanisha husband.
My Tanisha area, I think I she had
no, nobody in my life named Tanisha.
We don't know.
Well, anybody named Tanisha, I don't know you that way. I'm just using, I'm hypothetically speaking.
Hypothetical, there we go.
Right. I'm not.
And people, this is an open discussion. We're not throwing stones.
No stones.
We are just talking.
But you see, let me not call name, but you see somebody, one of your friend them, with them husband, and you see them imprintation.
The thing print out that front.
Me I tell you, you say, see, him feeling back. And then you don't know the stress so she are going there like, she want just a regular.
She feel approach him in the dark. She afraid every time. Every time him feel walk backwards.
Or maybe
She scare him her.
him scare her, she not get none because
She not get it
time
right.
out coming so his blood flow not reach.
Oh,
and then
snap.
you have some now, them underperform, you know, them can't perform.